Intelligent automation is generally defined as RPA plus other artificial intelligence capabilities. So for most of our customers, when they begin their journey into intelligent automation, they are faced with two simple questions, which is which capabilities should I invest in and how much capacity do I need for both of those? What this generally leads to is customers working out license deals based on peak usage estimates. And what I mean there is that they look at maybe a day of the month, a day of the week, or a day of the year when they have the highest transaction volumes in a process that they want to automate. And then they license their software based on it. Then that leads to, obviously, quite a bit of wasted capacity in all those days where you're not in that peak. Wasted capacity occurs in this case around license capacity, also around infrastructure costs and IT to keep the system up and running. If you can move through these basic problems at the beginning and begin to knock down some low-hanging fruit around automations, what you'll find is that your production automations become a bit of a growing anchor on your team, as your team tends to start to spend more and more time supporting and maintaining production automations. That's why we created Automation on Demand, or AOD. AOD is really a tech stack and a managed service combined. We combine RPA, IDP, and NLP capabilities in a cloud-hosted managed service along with our automation support. We built for this in a completely consumption-based model based on the number of minutes of RPA you execute or the number of pages of IDP or NLP that you read. This monthly cost includes your license costs, infrastructure costs, and all of your support costs around keeping your automations up and running and communicating with the business. For more information about Automation on Demand, please contact ISG.